Welcome to Crojo Corner, where you always get free patterns. My name is Lora, and today I have 30 free patterns to share with you by Ashley Parker, otherwise known as the Loopy Lamb. Let's dive in. All of the patterns that I'm sharing with you today can be found on Ravelry.com. Now on Ravelry, you do have to pay for them because they are a PDF ad-free version, but Ashley does have a blog called the Loopy Lamb, and we will go ahead and show you where the free patterns are on her blog. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first pattern, it's called Into the Fade Crochet Hat. This is a really pretty hat. It looks like it's beginner friendly. Now I do have a lot of beginner friendly patterns to share with you today, so make sure you stick around. I have a lot of hats, wearables, and blankets, home decor, amigurumi, all sorts of things. She has lots of patterns. And this is using knit picks worsted weight in a 5 and also a 5.5 millimeter hook. And you need a little bit under 200 yards. And see right here where it says free, also available for free info and notes. So that just means that you can scroll all the way down to the bottom right here. And you click this link right here for the loopylamb.com. And that is her blog. And you will find all of her patterns there. And here is the pattern for her free Into the Fade one skein crochet hat pattern. Next, we have my favorite festival purse, and this is using a super bulky weight and a 9 millimeter hook. You need 131 to 141 yards, and this bag does measure about 8 inches wide and 7 3/4 inches tall. Very cute. I love the color. That teal is very pretty, turquoise. Here it is. Very nice. And it should work up pretty quick since it's using super bulky weight. And you need a 9 millimeter hook for that. And right here it says info and notes. It's available for free. So scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link. And then you will get your free crochet t-shirt yarn purse right here. That's great. Then we have the Heather Super Scarf. Look at this one. This is using super bulky weight and a 10 millimeter hook. You need 424 yards. This is beautiful. I love the mustard color yarn and the tassels. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love those super scarves. That would work up pretty quick, I bet. Very nice. And then if you scroll down to the bottom here, it says for free. Scroll down here, click the link, and there you go. There's your free pattern. Next, we have the Arctic Gem Beanie. This is really pretty. I love the yarn she chose. Isn't that gorgeous? And the pom-pom looks so cute on top. And this is using Karen X Pantone yarn, bulky weight, and a 6 millimeter hook. If you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, there's your free pattern. And then she's got this cute little Sloth Cup Cozy. And this is using Aran weight and a 4 millimeter hook. Everyone's a big sloth lover these days. This would work up quickly. That'd be a great teacher's gift. And if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, it will take you straight to her free pattern. Next, we have Mommy's Go-To Fingerless Gloves. These are using worsted weight Bernat Premium and a 5 millimeter hook. These look like they would work up really quick. Beginner friendly for sure. Really cute. Perfect for this winter weather that we're having right now. And if you look right here, it is for free if you click this link. And it will take you straight to her free pattern. All you got to do is just click right here. And then we have the Venar Tote. This is really pretty. This is using Hobie Rainbow Cotton, 8 solid, DK weight, and a 4 millimeter hook. You need under 700 yards for this. Very pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. I love the blue. Really nice. And it's available for free if you click the link at the very bottom, and will take you straight to the free pattern. There you go. Then we have the Apathy Beanie, and this is using Lion Brand Heartland Aran weight and a 5.5 millimeter hook. This is beautiful. I love that awesome purple. It's so dark and just like a royal purple. Very pretty. And this is using Aran weight, 5.5 millimeter hook. And you click the link at the very bottom, takes you straight to the free pattern. Next, we have the Crochet Tartan Beanie. And this is using Mary Maxim Woodlands Aran weight yarn and a 6 millimeter hook. That is absolutely beautiful. I love that pattern. Really nice. The colors are gorgeous. And you can get that for free by scrolling down to the very bottom and clicking the link, and it'll take you straight to the free pattern. And then we have the Juno Blu Beanie. This is using Hobie Lollipop Aran weight, a 5 and a 5.5 millimeter hook. You need 130 to 140 yards. Absolutely beautiful. Love the blue. Really pretty. And if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, it'll take you straight to the free pattern. And then we have It's All Greek to Me C2C blanket. Now this is really pretty. And this is using Lion Brand ZZ Twist worsted and a 6mm hook. You need 2,300 to 2,500 yards. Gorgeous. Really nice. And you can get that for free if you scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the link. And there you go. There's your free pattern. It's all Greek to me. Then we have Mr. Chompy. I love his little tooth sticking out. And this is using Bernat Super Value Solids, Aran Weight, and a 3.5mm hook. So cute. Look at him. That'd be a great little gift for some little boy who loves dinosaurs or monsters. So cute. And you can get that for free. We just click the link right here, and it takes you straight to the free pattern for Mr. Chompy. And then we have a cute little sloth crochet gift card holder. This will be perfect for a birthday gift or Christmas. And this is using worsted weight and a 4mm hook. You need 39 to 45 yards. Very cute. This will work up very quickly, and it would be a perfect project for a beginner. And if you scroll down to the bottom, it will take you straight to the free pattern just by clicking that link at the very bottom. And then we have Jagger crochet chicken, worsted weight, and a 3.5mm hook. He is just the cutest little chick. It's so cute. Instead of Mick Jagger, Chick Jagger. I like that play on words. Adorbs. Oh, look at those little feet. So you can get this for free if you scroll down and click the link at the very bottom, and it takes you straight to the free pattern for Chick Jagger. And all these patterns can be found on the loopylamb.com. This is called Shifting Post Hat. And this is using worsted weight and a 5.5mm hook. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let's zoom in. Love that. And then here it is on a man without the pom-pom and some black colors. Very nice. Really pretty. And if you scroll down to the bottom, you know the drill. Click the link and it takes you straight to the free pattern. And we have the Fun Guys Crochet Mushroom Buddies. These are using worsted weight and 108 yards. How cute. Mushrooms are very popular right now, especially the red ones with the white dots. So cute. And this is using a 3.5mm hook, and you can get that for free if you just click the link right there. And there is your free pattern. And then we have It's Coffee Time Crochet Mug Rug. Oh, that's perfect. This is a great project if you're just starting to get into color work crochet. And if you scroll down to the bottom and click the link, it'll take you straight to the free pattern. Very cute. And who doesn't like earrings? Annabelle Earrings, these are called. This is using memory thread and a 3.5mm hook. You only need 5 to 6 yards. Ooh, that's pretty. Very elegant. Absolutely gorgeous. And then you can get that for free if you scroll all the way down and click the link. They'll take you straight to her free pattern for these earrings. And then we have Brave at Heart's crochet scarf, Aran weight, 6mm hook. Ooh, that's pretty. Love the colors. That yellow stripe just really makes it pop. Really, really nice. And this is Aran weight, 6mm hook, 550 to 600 yards. And this measures 60 inches long and 8 inches wide. And it says that it's a skill level of easy, so it's a perfect beginner-friendly project. Here's your free pattern if you just click the link right here at the bottom. Then we have Easy Crochet Christmas Baubles. Now, I know Christmas just passed, but, you know, you can never start too early. So these are using worsted weight and a 3.5mm hook. You need 27 to 35 yards. Aren't these really pretty? Oh, I bet these will work up fast. How nice is that? Really cute. And she's using some Knit Picks Bravo worsted weight. And if you scroll down to the very bottom and click the link, it takes you straight to her free pattern right here. And then we have the 11th Hour Crochet Blanket. This is using Bernat Blanket Extra Jumbo, 15mm hook, 450 to 485 yards. Ooh, I love that sage color. Isn't that pretty? Really nice. Looks so cozy. And you can get that for free. If you scroll down and click the link, it takes you straight to her free pattern for this beautiful blanket. Now we have Into the Sunset Crochet Mittens, and this is using fingering weight and a 4mm hook. They're using Knit Pick Stroll Fingering Tonal. Ooh, pretty. Very bright. Love that. Who doesn't love bright colors? And this fits an adult woman, and you need 230 to 240 yards. And scroll down and click the link. It'll take you straight to our free pattern for these beautiful mittens. Then we have the Wander Often Baby Blanket. This one's really cool. This is using Aran weight and a 5.5mm hook. Oh, how cute. Very nice. That's a really pretty pattern. Love that stitch. And it can go all the way from a stroller size up to a king size. Click the link at the bottom and it takes you straight to a free pattern at the loopylamb.com. Then we have Mini Crochet Bear. And this is using worsted weight and a 3.5mm hook. He's so tiny and cute. A little pocket pal. Look at him. That's adorable. Click the link at the bottom and that takes you straight to the free pattern. And then we have Holly Jolly Festive Crochet Christmas Coaster. And this is using worsted weight and a 3.5mm hook. You need 80 to 90 yards. That's really pretty. Really nice. And it's for free if you click the link at the loopylamb.com right here. And then we have Enid Snood, and this is using Bernat Premium, 2 Aran weights held together to make a super bulky, and a 9mm hook. You need 600 to 625 yards. Isn't that beautiful? That pink is so pretty. I love pink. Ooh, the black looks great. I love black too. And then if you scroll down, click the link, and it takes you straight to the free pattern for this beautiful snood. Now, I thought this was nice, a nice little set. This is called the Ava Crochet Dish Towel, and this is using worsted weight and a 5.5mm hook. I love the way it has the little button that goes around to help hold it onto the handle. Really nice. Matching dishcloths. This can be yours for free if you click the link down here at the very bottom of the listing. Here you go. And then we have Bruce the Goose. Love this one. This is using super bulky weight. Lion Brand Feels Like Butter and Lion Brand Go for Faux. Look at that. It looks like a stuffed animal that you'd buy at the store. Isn't that beautiful? I love that. Bruce the Goose. That's adorable. Love it. And you need 179 to 185 yards. They're using 6.5 and a 3.5mm hook. Scroll down to the bottom, click the link, and there's your Bruce the Goose pattern. And this cute little snowman is called Chillin' with My Snowmies Jumbo Snowman. And this is using super bulky weight and an 8mm hook. And it's about 8.75 inches tall, so it's a nice size. Really cute, would work up fast. This would be a nice beginner amigurumi project. Really cute. I love snowmen. And you're going to get that for free if you just click the link right here at the very bottom of the listing. There you go. He's so sweet. And then we have this beautiful cozy wool houndstooth beanie. This is using Aran weight and a 5.5mm hook. You only need 208 to 215 yards. Isn't that beautiful? I love the red and the white. Gorgeous. Looks good on a man too. Very pretty. And this is using Aran weight and a 5.5mm hook. You need 208 to 215 yards, and it's an adult one size project. And if you just click the link right at the bottom, it'll take you straight to her free pattern for this beautiful hat. If you like these free patterns, click the playlist right here to see more. Have a great day, everyone. Thanks for watching.